Wow. Wow, this thing was really protected. It's so beautiful. As you can see, they have different types of colors. We have yellow, we have blue. It's extremely beautiful. It has the Beauty and the Beast essence in this flower. Seems so real. And the greatest thing is I can have this for the rest of my life. The flower will never die. It'll be extremely beautiful in my house, in my workplace, anywhere I want to go. And different types of colors are shown. I love this. I love these flowers. I urge you all to get these flowers. They are extremely beautiful. They look so lifelike. They are just perfect. And they remind me of Beauty and the Beast.